Happy New Year's! We are walking to a farm to go bird watching, and we were at Lola. In the farm, and I've already seen a rare bird species I don't have pictures of yet, so we're exploring, but it is a walk in there. Alright, we are here at the farm. Lola has rolled in the mud. I've already started taking pictures because who knew bananas were so beautiful in this lighting? The goal for today is Lola has sound anxiety, especially with the fireworks, and it is New Year's Eve. So hopefully she will get tired out. She's already rolled in the mud. I think I said that. It's hilarious. And have her just follow us around. My partner's going to be working. I'm going to be taking pictures, just really feeling the art flow, hopefully doing some Pokemon style bird watching, and it's going to be gorgeous. I'm already so pleased. That was a good walk. It was about 2 miles to get here. Let's have a great day. So if you've never been bird watching before, a lot of it is just like being quiet and still and waiting. There's a lot of butterflies here compared to where I normally go bird watching. I don't know if you heard that pitch. That high pitched sound is a hawk. I don't have a picture of that hawk, so that's bird number 4 or 5 that I don't have a picture of. I can hear the bird, I can hear the hawk, but I can't find him. But yeah, so bird watching is a lot of like sitting and watching and waiting, kind of like putting yourself in a space. So I walk to one end of the farm here, the final end of the fence is there. This is a very small plot. They are growing coffee, so this is a coffee plant. If you've never seen one, this is coffee. These are all bananas, and the really tall trees are pejibayes. But I'm gonna walk back and just walk back super slow. I don't think this makes for good YouTube, but I'm gonna walk back super slow and hopefully I can capture some bugs. I saw a frog today, saw some lizards. Something just snapped a branch. And just see what I can find, and I will post pictures and videos when I get there. Yeah, I'm gonna hang up for now. Time to find some birds and hopefully no snakes. Okay, so here's the thing about birdwatching, or really anything in life, is what is special or exciting to you? Like, I finally found this hawk. I got a picture of it, got really good zoom on it, and my partner's like, oh, it's just that bird. But for me, it's something special. And I think with anything in life, what we find special will be someone else's, like, everyday, whatever, normal. And I don't think that should dampen our spirits in any way. It's taken me a long time to realize that what I find fun and interesting and worthwhile will probably not be that for someone else, and that's okay, because this is my life to live. So I'm gonna go chase down those little... Alright, so we're back at the little cabin. My partner's working. It's only been about an hour. Lola's tired. I'm tired, but granted, I was tired before we even got here. Just to note, if you are traveling anywhere, like anywhere, let me see if I can get better lighting. We're back at the cabin. Got some good pictures, got to see things. I need to find my glasses. They're somewhere in the backpack. My eyes are really tired right now. And then I went to refill the water bottle. So I just wanted to share. The camera's moving. I just wanted to share, if you are ever traveling, I always recommend a Lifestraw water bottle. I don't care about aesthetics. I don't care about keeping it cold. Really, it's just about keeping your water clean. I've been to places that are in Costa Rica that are supposed to have clean water, like their apartment buildings, and I have gotten sick there. And we're here really rurally. Lots of places in Costa Rica have clean water. This year, 2024, there was some issues and controversies around water, around dirty water in our region, and so I just always have a Lifestraw. This is my partner's Lifestraw, so ignore it's dirty. But basically, I have never gotten sick using this. I have gotten sick using just drinking tap water. And I just think it's really important that if you are going to be traveling, I don't think it matters where in the world, in the US or wherever, you should always be carrying a filterable water bottle. This lasts me, I used the filter for about 6 months without noticing any difference. And because, back to the, I know I'm going all over the place here, but some places are connected to like the water, like the local water system, and that's potable water. I don't know that this is. I think this might be water like directly collected from rain, or it might be directly from the river that's right outside. And if that's the case, I saw cows nearby. When there's cows near the river, there's poop in the river. I drink filtered water bottle. that's just what I recommend, especially if you don't want to keep buying water bottles. This is just an all-over great solution. I'm not pitching it. I started drinking from my Lifestraw at like 3 years ago, and I have not looked back, especially because I have gotten sick before. But all right, we are going to be here until it's already starting to gray out. If the sun comes back out, we'll be here for a few more hours. If it continues to get cloudy, we'll probably actually leave because there is a giant mosquito. I got dengue this year, so I'm real worried about mosquitoes. All right, well, let's... These are plantains because of their shape. But they grow just like bananas. Alright, if the quality looks different, I was filming on my GoPro before, but now I am filming on my cell phone. I am currently sitting in front of many banana trees. I saw a beautiful hummingbird that like looks different, and I know the sound's similar to like, so we're gonna wait for that sound, and my camera's like ready to go. I have my camera right here ready to go, and while I'm waiting I have my Kindle and I'm doing a read with me series. We're gonna read everything that my Kindle has, but right now I'm going through the cookbooks I have on my Kindle to see if there's anything I want to make for tonight. I don't know. I kind of want something special. I think we're going to do mocktails tonight and keep up this anti-inflammatory life. But I hope you're enjoying this vlog. We do not a lot of farm visits, but we used to go like every other weekend, and it slowed down recently. But we thought today would be a good day to get Lola tired before the fireworks.